Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with a brand new video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All right, guys, this is it for today. That's right, this is the last day for the primary trade lines for the small or the large. The large is $8.99, the small is $6.99, and they will be uploaded in 2 days. But today at midnight tonight of the 23rd, this line is done for this month. So anything that comes after today will be posted on next month's credit report. But yes, guys, today is the final day to send in your application as well as your money. It is a wrap. It is a done deal. Like they say, this is it. Make no mistakes. Okay, I can't sing, but whatever. You guys get the point. It's a very short video. That's all I really needed to say. So hit me up. I'll even let you guys talk to me on my regular line at 239-234-3040, or you guys can hit up 833-947-3863 and hit the option for iTrades. Yep, that's all I really needed to say. Hope you guys enjoyed my singing, and I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Let's get this credit, guys. I'm out. Peace.